Want to erase all content and settings on your iPhone and start fresh? First, make sure you have a recent backup in iCloud or on your computer. Open Settings and tap General. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Erase all content and settings and then tap Continue. If your device uses an eSIM, you'll be asked whether to erase it or keep it active. Erasing is recommended if you're selling or giving away this iPhone. Next, enter your device passcode, and if you have screen time enabled, enter that passcode as well. You'll then be prompted for your Apple ID password to disable activation lock. After you confirm, your iPhone will prepare a final backup if you choose that option, then begin the erase process. You'll see the Apple logo with a progress bar, and when it finishes you'll be greeted by the Hello Setup screen. To erase using a computer instead, first disable Find My iPhone under Settings by tapping your name, tapping Find My, then Find My iPhone, and turning it off with your Apple ID password. Connect your iPhone to a Mac running macOS Catalina or later, or to a Windows PC with the Apple Devices app or iTunes. Open Finder, Apple Devices or iTunes and select your iPhone. Click Trust, authenticate on your device by entering your passcode, then click Restore iPhone. You can back up before erasing or skip if you already have a recent backup. Click Restore again to confirm. Your computer will download and install the latest iOS. Then restart your iPhone to the Hello screen. With either method, your device will be fully wiped of personal data and ready for its next use. If this helped you, please tap like, share your favorite reset tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.